Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I may sound a little weird. My mouth is numb. I finally got my dental work taken care of, and I also swung by my post office box this morning, and I have a package here from Let's Get Plan, and I want to see what's in here because I need to do my weekly setup for my everyday planner, which is B6 Stalogy, in the raspberry leather cover from MLG & Co. So let's see what we have here from Let's Get Planned. These are July releases that are already live and available in the Let's Get Planned Etsy shop. And I will link to the shop in the description box below. So this is Swim Life. These are nice. AG1. Well, not sure what that means. So that's what they look like. Trinity. Karen. Brenda. Ooh, I like this one. Growth. Growing and achieving and thriving. Nourished. Ooh, pretty. Birds. 1. Birds 2. Birds florals. I like that. Betty. Oop, there's another one there. Lachey. I don't know. Lash. I like her. Hummingbird. Hummingbird florals. Carrie, Kathy, and Cassie. Ooh, peacock. I like that. Peacock florals. Okay, so that is everything from Let's Get Planned. Now I gotta decide, what do I want to use? These are the July releases that are already up in the shop at Let's Get Planned. I will link to them in the description box below. Go check them out. They have very nice quality stickers. And I love that they incorporate some florals. And I know everybody doesn't like florals. Not everybody likes florals. I do. I don't have to have florals in every spread, but I do like them. So it just, I don't know. It just does something for a spread. So last week, I don't know. I just been in a funk. I did fill in a little bit. I never did do anything with this page. So what I probably will do is come back and put some type of sticker dashboard here. I didn't do anything for goals, even though I have them in my mind. I did not write them down. So as I mentioned before, when I do stuff like that, I go right back to this Hobonichi style insert when I feel like there's just not, I'm just not in the sticker mood. I don't know how to explain it. So I'm gonna go with this doll and the bird stickers, just because it's bright and happy and I like the colors. Let's see, I may be able to incorporate something from Caliber Plan with this. I've done this in the Happy Planner, but I'm gonna do it here too, where you use the multiple stickers to make a larger journaling area. So I'm going to use these. And this is Spring Florals from Caliber Plan. So I kind of want this one to be the main one. What I'm going to do is fold this in half. So let's see. Let's put this here. Oh, let's move it down. Make room for washi. Hopefully that's straight. That's as straight as I can get it. So now I got 2 places to write, even though I don't need extra room. Okay, let's play with this washi. Let's see if she's gonna fit. Let's use one of these that are available to patrons over on the Scrapcraftastic Patreon. Love these little butterflies. Just cover up that little smudge right there. Let's see what other stickers I have that I can use on this. Probably the day of the week stickers, which are these. These are all from Let's Get Planned. I'm running out of room in my little pouch, so I gotta come up with another sticker storage solution. So this is dates and holidays from the Happy Planner from 2017. And I might use those colorful dots because I just don't ever use them. And we are going from the 18th. Oh, that's going to be perfect. And this is probably a bad idea, but I want to use these up. 18. Okay, so that's the deco stickers. Let's put down some text word stickers. Got payday. I'm gonna put it here. And then this one here. There's a plan next week. And then I have post office run that's up here. So I can finally trim this off and put it in the pocket. Oops. This is crooked. And I basically think that's going to be it. It's not a whole lot to do here. That is the spread for the week of July 18th through the 24th. Keeping it simple, a doll from Let's Get Planned, a little deco from Let's Get Planned, and a couple of double boxes from Kell of a Plan. The days of the week are also from Let's Get Planned, and the date dots are from the Happy Planner, or the smaller script stickers and icons are from Piper Paper Company, and the This Week sticker is available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. The washi tape is from Simply Gilded. So very simple, kind of bright, fun spread. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.